Let's take a look at what you can expect to find with your target light. The first thing you're going to notice is that the box itself is quite compact. Let's look inside. On the top, you will find a little thank you note with some basic user instructions, some contact information on the back, and some safety considerations. Underneath the foam, of course, we have the target light itself. It comes with a little safety cap. You can remove that straight away, and you will see that the target light has a standard E27 fitting, which means this will screw into any standard lamps you might have around the house. And of course, all target lights come with a power cable. Very, very easy to screw it in. All you need to do is screw it in finger tight, plug that end into a wall. There's the on and off switch, and you are ready to get your red light therapy. If you have any more questions about red light therapy or how to use the target light, please visit our website, look for the user guides, and if you still have questions, you are welcome to reach out to us on our email address, which you will find on the website as well.